condition in France after the French Revolution 1789 and the formation of the National Assembly. Continue. Just previous point is continuing here. The adverse impact of the revolutionary wars were that people had to face losses and economic crisis in France. We know that men had joined the army as revolutionary, as volunteers to fight against the monarchy and the nobility all over Europe. Now, the burden of the family was entrusted upon the shoulders of women to look after their children, to earn the living. Majority of the people clearly became aware that revolution was not ended up finally because there were some drawbacks in the formation of the National Assembly as well as in the making of the in the provisions of the constitution. They had such opinion because the poor hadn't been given right to political right was not given to the poor person. The political rights had been given to the highest payers only by the constitution. People formed the political clubs to discuss the government policies and to decide what they had to do in this situation. One of the most popular among these was the Jacobins Club. It got its name from the former convent of Saint Jacobin in Paris. In this period, women also formed their clubs that showed their activeness to fight for their grievances. Jacobin Club was consist of the members who belonged to less prosperous families, the small shopkeepers, members of the society, small shopkeepers, shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, servants, and daily wage workers. The leader of these members was Maximilian Robespierre. The members decided to wear long striped trousers to show themselves different from the knee breeches. Knee breeches, the uh, garments worn by the rich people, which were worn only up to knee. Such type of uniform worn by the Jacobins was already made the uniform of the dock workers. They also wanted to show that now onward the government of the poor section of French society was going to be established in France. These Jacobins called themselves sans culottes. It means the persons without knee breeches. Sans culottes men also wore red caps in addition to the long. You know that the meaning of the red caps, it meant freedom from slavery. But women were not allowed to wear long strip trousers and red caps. That's all for today. Thank you.